All right, we are doing activity 7.5 for Chapter 7 assignment for week 6. It is changing from a read-only domain controller to a standard domain controller. First thing they've asked you to do is to remove what we've put in there, which is some of the Windows features for the DNS so it doesn't do something weird, and then we will have to restart. And since I've already removed it, it'll show up that way. And then you want to uninstall the Active Directory domain controller, which I should have done already, so that's why it's all red. And then when you're prompted, it'll ask for your password, but since it's already done, it didn't do that. And then you put your password back in. Okay. And then you've rebooted it, and then you log back into your server 2, and you go into your let's see, go into our local servers, and you can see that I've already set this up, and it asks to change the IP scheme of it. Going into properties, and you want to obtain IPv6 automatically, which should already be in here, and DNS server automatically. Okay, and then you're going to go into IPv4, and I just want to make sure the 10.11.1 is set up, which I've got it set up as 250, and then just click OK to change the settings. Click OK, make sure you do OK all the way through, and you see it's talking back and forth, so we should be still connected. And then open the Active Directory users and computers under Tools here, and it says to go to hold on a second, I missed a step here. It says to go to right click on Start and click Systems, which I completely forgot to do. Right click here and click System, and from there you want to go to Computer Name and change right here and change settings. And click the work group and work group type. So let's get back up here where we can see. I change this. And click that. So let me get back here because that's, click the change button. Let's see. Next, Systems, next to the computer name, click change settings. And then it says click work group. group. And the text box, click OK. And we're already hooked up to the domain. So we're there. We're just verifying all that. Okay, so that's all good. It'll reboot when you have it changed. You log back in, and then they want you to do this under PowerShell, which is right here again, and then you're going to go install main controller domain name, and then you put your domain name in there, which is the 411 11 DOM1.local. Hit enter. Oops, I forgot the rest of my. Okay. And then, there's one more command. As you can tell, you can do this. And get creds. And show. Okay. And oh, whoops. That's what I did wrong. As you can tell, I wasn't getting anywhere. So close out of here. I've got to be an administrator. So I've got to be an elevated prompt, which makes a whole big difference. So let's go into that. Now we'll install DDS. Domain controller. Name. And then we're going to do 411. LAM1. Local. And then show it. And press enter. And then we do administrator and the password. And it didn't like my get credentials. Which it pulls it. So it didn't like my password. Administrator. And then it installs it, which it's already installed. So we should be good there. Press enter. And to confirm everything. And then the dynamic addresses get delegated again. Since we messed with it, it would come up with errors. And that is how you set up your from a read-only to a normal where you can write to domain controller. And that concludes the 7.5. Thank you.